Sup YouTube, Manny here, Casual Techies, what's up? And today I have a surprise. When passed by the Apple store today, got myself a little gift. Look at this bad boy, 16-inch Macbook Pro, the base model. Sammy had just recently purchased this one today, and I wanted to see what the fuss is about. I wanted to see if I could edit videos on the base model. It's going for $2,400. Let's take a look. Are you serious? Oh, that's classic, man. I thought this was supposed to be an easy process. Oh man, there we go. Let's get that out the way. Let's take a look at this bad boy. Smells new. Love that new smell. Let's see what's inside the box. USB-C. Designed by Apple. Power brick. You know I'm gonna be using this for my phone. Let's get this out the way. Nice. Beautiful. So I'm planning to use this just to pay the bills, do some light rendering, or editing, I mean. Nothing too fancy. Let's see if I overdid it. I'll see you back in 2 weeks with a full review. Check you guys later. Peace.